Hi guys, welcome back. Cheers.
Hi.
If you can't tell by the big C Chanel logo, we are in Chanel's room.
Really? What makes you think that?
From the Chanel logo.
Oh. We're gonna do our nails today since Christmas
Okay,
is coming.
no, but not only because of that, because every single time I'm like, oh, Chanel, where'd you get your nails done? And she's like, I did it at home with my like...
Girl, because ain't nobody trying to spend like $20-$30 on a...
Actually like 40, sometimes like 40
Sometimes
bucks,
40, yeah, depending on
right?
like...
Just like for just hands. And I'm just like...
For just hands?
I know, and I'm just like, you didn't even massage me that long.
Girl, there ain't no massages at Salon Kim, okay?
Salon.
Salon
It
Kim,
would be
okay?
Salon instead of Salon. Chanel.
Salon.
Yeah. But so today we're just going to show you how Chanel does my nails as well as hers at home. And if you guys are interested in to see what products she uses as well as how she does it, then just keep watching.
Okay, so I use like a at-home gel system, and I actually bought it at Target. I have the box. It's the Sensationail. Chanel nails? No, it's Sensationail, and it's a little LED light curer. And this was like the kit, so it came with like all of these things inside. But now I've kind of like had it for so long, I just branched out and got like different brands and like different colors of things. So, but I mean, if you're trying to get started at home to do it, this is like $40 by itself. So it's the cost of like going to the nail salon once.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
If you use it more than once, you have your money's worth. So, yeah, I mean, it definitely takes practice because the first time I did it, it was like all over the place. No, it was just like, I didn't know when to stop the nail because it's not like regular nail polish where like you can paint it like literally to where you want it to stop. Like gel's thick and it kind of like
does it like
runs out? Yeah.
like
and
spreads
then,
out?
Yeah. And then depending on the polish brands, like the tip of your nail will like retreat. Like the nail polish won't go to the tip.
What?
So like, yeah. So I've learned that like some of the nail polish brands, you have to like paint it on and then cure it right away so the nail polish doesn't move.
Oh.
Yeah. So you guys will know all about that.
Well, okay, so we have 2 brands for you guys today.
3. Because I use the D&D base coat and top gel. They look like this. It came in a little duo. I like love these. They have really high reviews on Amazon and a lot of nail salons.
And you got it off of Amazon. We'll link it down below.
It wasn't really expensive. I want to say it was like $12.99 for 2.
Yeah.
So
and they go, and you've used this for so long. So it like
really
goes
long.
for a really long time.
And it keeps your nail polish on for a really long time too.
Yeah, like 2 weeks. So basically what you would get at like a regular nail salon anyways.
They use this at the nail salon. Like the nail salon that I go to uses this.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy that. So I got that for top and base. And then this is like an off-brand nail polish, but I got it because the colors were so cute. It came in like a pack of
I think 5 or 6.
Yeah, 5 or 6, and it's all in like the same color family. But it's called Gelin. They were really cheap though. It was like 6 for $17.99 or something like that.
Yeah, that's actually such a good deal. Because like what Essie's like
$8.99.
Yeah,
for
like
one.
$9 for one of them.
And it's not gel. It's just regular nail polish.
Exactly. I mean, granted they are cheaper, but like honestly, I tend to like not get to the bottom of any of my nail polishes, and then they get all dry and cracky and crusty
and thick.
Yeah. So honestly, like the smaller ones are better.
That's true.
And then the one that I'm using, do you want to? I just honestly picked the color, so she can probably pick.
It's brand. Called Pat on the Black.
Oh, thank you. It's Pat on the Gray. I'm wearing gray today.
Yeah,
charcoal gray.
Like a dark gray. But it's like an oxblood nail color by Sally Hansen, and they make a gel polish line too. And I actually always get these on Walgreens. They go on sale a lot. Ooh. So I got this for like $4.99.
Walgreens?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I got all my Sally Hansen ones there for pretty cheap. So
nice.
Yeah. Don't ever spend full price because they always go on sale.
Yeah. And I was actually just talking to Chanel about this, but she got like what's it called? A kit of nail stuff off of Amazon.
So like
and
this one.
she mainly got it because of this guy right here.
Yeah, because it has the gel polish scraper. So if you ever done gel, you know that it takes
A
long time to like soak off and peel off. But this is basically like after you soak it, you like peel it off with it. And then I don't really, do you know what that is?
I have no idea what that
The other end looks like this, and I have no idea what
like
it is.
a balancer.
I never use it, so
yeah,
it's useless to
but
me.
it caught my eye because I was planning on getting one of these like cuticle clippers from Ulta, and one of these things from I think the Revlon brand was $20, and I was like, girl, where did you get this? Because I'm not trying to spend $20 for one freaking like cuticle clipper. And she was like, oh, I got like a kit of it for under $10.
Yeah,
So
I want to say it was like $7 or $8.99.
Yeah, so if we can find that where Chanel got hers as well, we'll link it down below.
Yes. But yeah, I'll just explain the steps as I go, I guess. So I go in with isopropyl alcohol. I just keep it in this little bottle because it's easier to carry around instead of like a giant bottle of isopropyl alcohol. But I just refill it. So right now I'm just using the 91%. And
is there a reason why you use 91%?
No.
Okay. And you get it from Target, which is really cheap.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. It's like in the pharmacy section.
You can even get it anywhere, honestly.
Like Amazon probably might be even cheaper.
Yeah, Walgreens. So you basically give your nails a really good wipe, because just to like strip it of oils, because otherwise the gel polish won't stick. And then you go in with like a fine grain file. This is just by Revlon. It actually came free with my nail clippers that I ordered off of Amazon.
Usually are you gonna file like the top of
Yeah,
the
so you want to buff it out. Lots of nail salons have like a buffing sponge. I don't have one, so I just use a file, but I just do it really lightly. You basically just want to like make it a little uneven so the gel would stick.
I actually have one of these at home, and it's usually like a 4-sided thing.
Yeah.
Like a 4-step thing, where the first time it's like really rough, second time's a little bit rougher, third time's less rougher, and then the fourth one is a polish.
Yeah.
So I got mine at Walgreens for like $2.
Yeah, I have that one too, or probably something similar.
Yeah.
It just doesn't work well for gel polish. Like it doesn't.
Oh, so this actually works. This file works better.
Yeah, because it just grips a lot better.
Oh,
because it just is more coarse.
Yeah.
Because when you go to a nail salon, it's pretty coarse, like what they use on you.
Oh, I didn't notice.
I'm gonna put this down for now since I don't need it. And like, you don't really have to go in any particular direction that I've noticed. Okay, also like disclaimer, I'm not a professional, if you didn't know. So after, you should kind of like have it look kind of rough like this. And then I just go back in with the same cotton pad with the alcohol, and I clean it off. You can have like wash your hands too. That's what they make you do at the nail salon, but like your girl be lazy, so I just wipe it off. And then we want to go in with the base coat. So of course I'm using the 500 D&D base gel, and then that is going to be cured. That is going to be cured in the Sensationail thing. Okay, and what I've learned is you have to be pretty precise with your base coat, because it's going to guide all the other polishes you put on top. So out of all the steps, you just want to make sure this is the most like
good one.
Perfect. Like
Yeah.
you want it this way. And the thing about gel is you don't want it close to your cuticle, because it'll pull as your nail grows and it hurts.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah. And then the one thing is my machine is like miniature, so it's hard to fit all your fingers in comfortably.
Yeah.
I mean, I still do. I'm able to. I just kind of tuck my thumb up. Okay, so put your hand in there. You might have to tuck your thumb in too. Make sure not to touch the edges. But it's really cool because it cures pretty quick, so there's not a lot of dry time. So the first part, it'll blink. So right now it just blinked. That means it's been in there for 15 seconds. And then once it'll automatically turn off at 30 seconds, which means it's done.
I feel like I can smell it.
Yeah,
I
because
can
it's like
smell it.
it's kind of like resin, like
Yeah.
curing. Yeah, but this is not UV, it's LED, so it's a little safer.
Oh, that's good. I was actually concerned about that.
Yeah. So now it's cured. You still don't want to touch it, but it's dry, I guess. And then we're gonna go in with her color. This one, I'm just gonna do your thumb first, and then you can cure it after.
Oh, you cure it after each nail.
I don't like it when it like recedes back from the tip, which happens to a lot of like gel polishes. I think last time I used this it was like 2 coats, but when you do gel polish you want to do it in thinner coats and like multiple thin coats, because if you do thick coats it just like doesn't dry right and it gets like...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
And I noticed it peels off quicker too if you do like
thicker ones? I thought it would be like thicker ones for gel.
Yeah. I mean, it's already thick already, right?
Yeah. And this one, you actually just put in your hand and then it'll start curing automatically.
Oh yeah, you don't have to push anything.
Yeah, there's no button.
Yeah. And then it's done. And then we go in with the second coat. So I'll finish your thumb first really quick. And then we can kind of speed through the other fingers.
Cool.
How dark do you want it more?
I think the third coat will be fine.
And then after that's cured, you're gonna go in with the D&D 400 top gel. And then that's gonna kind of like seal everything in. Top gel's really cool because once your nail goes into the light, it like glows.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they put in it, but it's pretty cool. And then after that, you want to take the same alcohol on like a lint-free pad, or like paper towel works too. I just like pads because you don't have to change them out as much. And as weird as it makes you feel, you have to just wipe it. It feels like it shouldn't be dry.
Dude, you should see my face right now. I'm just like,
don't touch it.
Wait, what does the wiping aspect do?
Cause like gel polish is kind of oily, so I don't know why it like cures and there's like oil that surfaces.
So it's important to actually get this.
Yeah, otherwise it doesn't.
And it has to be an alcohol one.
Yeah.
Did you see her? She's like touching it.
And so now it's dry.
Wow, my thumb.
And then I'll just do the same process with the other nails, and then we'll be back.
Woohoo. Okay, guys, Chanel finished up my hands, and although we did like each layer with the Sensationail tool, like the LED, one by one, like one
with
by each layer.
Yeah.
With the thumb, what she did with the rest of my coats, if you're able to work really fast, then you're able to do like one coat on all 4 fingers or 5 fingers, and then go into the Sensationail, do another coat, go into the Sensationail, and then if you need another coat, do another coat. And then go into the base coat and do all 4 or 5, and then go into the Sensationail, rather than doing like one by one and going into the Sensationail.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it turned out like this. It's looking real good.
Ready for winter. Nice. Yeah, and then that's how I do my nails at home, guys. I'll do mine, and then we'll be...
My other hand too, of course.
And then we'll be back for like an outro with y'all. We just want to check in.
Hi guys, we're back.
Mine are nude. I don't know if you can tell from way back there.
They look bomb. Don't you love this nude color on her? And I have like something that matches my heart.
No. Oh my God.
I have something that matches Charlie.
Charlie.
Oh, he's like, no.
And then he licks me. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. And we'll put any like products and stuff and where you can get them down below. So make sure you give that a read if you can.
And if you live in the Seattle area and you're looking for a new nail salon,
whatever,
you know where to contact us. Comments below.
I'm not a professional.
Anyways, if you like this video, then don't forget to leave us a like.
And comment down below maybe like your favorite nail color.
Yes.
Or like nail colors you can get at the drugstore, because I'm always interested in buying. Okay, so give us a like, comment,
subscribe,
boom,
and don't forget to hit that ding 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 bell.
Oh yeah, the notification bell. We would love to have you be a part of the Cheers family.
And and as always,
cheers to a good week.
Bye.
Would happen as soon as
I don't have a foot fetish, but if I were to have a foot fetish, it was because of like her feet.
That is so weird.
Like I'm just like, can I suck on him? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, it's really weird. Some people really like sucking on feet, and I'm just
That
like,
is
why?
You on the weekend.
Oh, maybe because like have you heard of the term like sausage toes? Maybe that's
Oh,
why.
Mondo calls my pinky toe a sausage toe.
Ew, he's gonna
He
suck on
calls
your pinky toe.
he calls it a little smoky.